Hi, I'm Dr. Maura, naturopathic doctor, here to talk to you about the top 4 ways you can beat the flu and prevent yourself from getting it this season. A lot of my patients skip the flu shot, don't like to take antibiotics. The good news is that there's a lot of tools in naturopathic medicine to help boost your immune system and prevent you from getting the flu this season. Tip number 1, exercise. A lot of my patients ask me, can they exercise if they have a cold? And the answer is yes, absolutely. If you have a fever, I tend to tell people to avoid exercise, let the body heal and rest. But with a minor cold and a touch of the flu, exercise is fantastic because what it does is it helps move lymph around the body. And lymph is what carries white blood cells. White blood cells are the guys that are gonna help kill the virus and move toxins out of the body. So exercise is number 1. Tip number 2, diet. The number 1 thing you can do in your diet is cut out sugar. Sugar is a huge immune suppressant. It suppresses those white blood cells I was just talking about, which makes it a lot harder for your immune system to kick out a virus, and you'll be sicker longer. Okay, tip number 3, the gut. This is my favorite thing to talk about. The gut is everything for naturopaths. Everything starts in the gut. If your gut is healthy, then you're healthy. And the reason for that is that 80% of the immune system is found in the digestive system. So you want to have that big first kind of defense against any kind of virus or bacteria that are coming in. The number 1 way that you boost up your gut health is by taking a good probiotic. Look for a probiotic that has about 20 billion live organisms and about 5 strains of different bacteria, and you'll be all set. Other foods that you can eat actually that have good probiotic in them are kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha. All those will really help boost up your gut health. The 4th and final tip is about supplements. Who doesn't like to take a pill that's gonna make them feel better? And the name of the game with taking supplements for flu prevention is taking things that are gonna help to boost those white blood cells. These guys are the name of the game when it comes to flu prevention. So the number 1 thing that I recommend people to take is vitamin D. About 5,000 IUs a day, 1 capsule, is really gonna help boost your immunity. Number 2, fish oils. Taking about 2,000 to 4,000 milligrams of omega works really well with vitamin D. What fish oil helps is it helps the bacterial action of cells to really gobble up viruses and move them on out of your body. The 3rd thing is an herb called astragalus. In Chinese medicine, astragalus is probably the most powerful immune supporting herb. So doing a couple capsules of astragalus a day as prevention, and then when you're sick, taking about 3 capsules every 4 hours is really great treatment. You don't have to take any antibiotics if you're taking astragalus. And the 4th thing is zinc. About 50 milligrams a day. You can take one of those cold ease zinc lozenges. They taste okay, but really zinc is a fantastic thing to really help boost up those white blood cells. So these are my top 4 tips for boosting immunity during flu season. You don't need to get the flu shot, you don't need to get antibiotics. There's tons of tools in the natural toolbox to help you feel well during the winter. And I look forward to speaking with you on the next video about more tips about naturopathic medicine.